Hello, today we are practicing auscultation of the heart. This is our students. Please name.
Sasidharan.
Your group number?
226.
Okay, please start. How much we have points?
We have 5 points.
First point?
First point is mitral point, which is in the mid-ventricular, from the mid-ventricular area to 5th intercostal space. The second point is aortic point, which is from the right side of the sternum. Right side
of the sternum comes at the clavicle.
Second intercostal space needs sternum.
Aortic.
Aortic valve.
Aortic valve point.
And the third point is pulmonary valve, which is in the right side of the sternum. Second intercostal space.
Needs sternum. Okay.
And the fourth point is tricuspid valve, which is near the xiphoid process.
Of the sternum. Yeah. You listening sound?
Fifth point is volcano elbow point, which is in the third intercostal space
Okay.
of the right side.
First, second, and third. Go knees sternum. Go knees sternum. Okay, this. Put. Okay. Thank you.